Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming basics: carrier support, current iOS, and a reliable Wi-Fi network. These affect registration and emergency routing. Once ready, go straight to Settings, tap Phone, and enable Wi-Fi calling. This tells Apple and your carrier to prefer Wi-Fi for voice. Make sure you accept any carrier prompts and enter your emergency address if requested. This keeps 911 accurate. After enabling, the phone begins registering with your carrier over the network, which is why a stable, household Wi-Fi matters. Next, complete the registration flow so calls route correctly. When prompted, enter or confirm your emergency address. This is required for 911 when calling over Wi-Fi. Then, install any carrier settings update. These small updates finalize provisioning between your iPhone and the carrier. If you use an iPad or Mac, enable calls on other devices under Settings, right arrow Phone to let calls ring across devices. Once done, your device should show Wi-Fi calling in the status when active, which proves provisioning succeeded. Finish by verifying and testing. Place a call and watch the status bar for a Wi-Fi calling indicator. Alternatively, temporarily disable Cellular to force Wi-Fi-only calls and confirm audio quality. If you experience dropped calls or registration failures, restart the iPhone and reconnect to your network. Make sure router firmware is current. One key troubleshooting tip: reset network settings to clear stale cellular or Wi-Fi credentials. This often resolves registration and call routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.